Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how I earn money in meme coins without relying on constant trading. I stopped trading meme coins and started deving the coin instead and controlling how everything launches. That decision alone has led to much better results for me, and I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars purely from deving meme coins, bro. And trust me, it's still untapped. So if you're tired of losing money and you want to make a change for yourself or learn a brand new strategy, well, this video is for you. Take a second and look at this phantom wallet balance. $9.1 million came from deving meme coins. Not by trading, not by chasing pumps, and not by doing random shit. There's a different side of meme coins that most people never see, and today I'm showing you exactly how it works. Now, most people make their money from trading meme coins, right? But that was before. Now, bro, you guys have to realize that deving is way more profitable than trading, or you could say it's untapped and way less riskier, because in 2026, bro, if you still trade meme coins, well, 95% of all these coins that you will potentially buy, bro, will go to zero, just like this chart right here, bro. Most likely when you buy here, here, and here, and here, well, the dev will dump on your head. And this is the reality of meme coins in 2026, bro. The devs are making way more money than trading. So that's why I personally switched to deving, and it changed everything for me. So that's exactly why I'm making this video, bro. I will be gatekeeping a method. I will show you guys exactly step by step on how to launch a meme coin on chain, how to dev, how to vamp, whatever, bro, all in this video professionally. Now, making meme coins is really easy, right? Do not overcomplicate it. It costs literally like around $0, right? Not including the blockchain fees to make a meme coin. We just launch it, wait for people to buy in, and when we are satisfied with the results, or if you're ready to cash out, you just exit your position, exit your supply, and then you can just rinse and repeat that method over and over again. This is exactly what devs are doing all day, every day. I launch around 2 to 3 coins every single fucking night, and personally, bro, my results, I make around 500 to 2k a day, right? I'm a bit lazy, but that is my results personally, bro. Everyone will vary, so keep watching, bro. I will be gatekeeping the method. Now, in today's day and age, bro, most devs, okay, in 2026 launch their meme coins on Pump.Fun most of the time, bro. It is the most popular platform out here right now, but let me tell you why you do not want to be launching meme coins on Pump.Fun. First of all, because it's oversaturated. There's too many tokens launching every single second while I'm speaking, which means if you launch a meme coin, bro, well, the chances of you making money is really slim. And second of all, bro, Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool. You guys can go on Google and fact check that right now if you want to. And also, bro, they take a cut from your Pump.Fun creator fees, so you are cut in profits from the very beginning. The goal for most devs is to get their meme coin onto Raydium, because here is where thousands of people are waiting to buy your coin in the migrate section, bro. Now, to reach that point, your coin needs to reach a $55,000 market cap on Pump.Fun. But there's something that most devs do not know, and is that if you launch meme coins on create meme.io directly, all your meme coins goes to Raydium immediately, skipping the bonding curve, skipping the fucking bonding phase, and going to Raydium instantly right here, viewed to tens and thousands of people on the spot. So if you launch meme coins on create meme.io, bro, it's basically a shortcut to promotion, okay? And that's exactly why a bunch of devs are gatekeeping this launchpad, bro. Now, creating a coin on this launchpad is really easy, bro. It's easier to do it than to say it, but there's two different ways to make one, bro. There's two different methods. The first way is to create a whole new coin custom made from scratch by inventing a name, ticker, and symbol, an image, my bad. So for that, bro, you would need a narrative. I like to go on X. Some people like to go on Google and type in news. After that, they make coins based off of articles right here, right? Or you can go on X and look for viral memes. You know, for example, the Penguin coin recently went to $150 million in market cap, and that meme coin was made from a TikTok meme that went absolutely viral. That is a great example, but once you have a narrative, invent a name, add a symbol, add a quick image, and then you're done, bro. That meme coin is custom made after these simple steps. But I like the second method, right? And that is the copy trending coins tab. I use this method every single day when I can, because all of these coins are all going viral. They all have proven narratives that are getting a bunch of buyers in these coins right now, which means if you copy one of these coins to Raydium or multiple of them, well, you have a high chance of getting a bunch of buyers on your coin in the Raydium section, because you're copying coins that already have proven narratives. And I will do an example to show you how it's done. Alright, like I said, bro, I will do an example right now. Now it's time for the second part of this video, and that is launching and seeing how much we can make from a launch live right now. First of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, right? I just disconnected my wallet to reconnect it right after, just to show you guys how it's done. Click on refresh and then look for a coin to copy. I'm going to copy anything, bro. I'm gonna copy the XPY coin. It looks good. Why not? Click copy to Raydium, right? Ignore the block from Phantom. It's completely fucking normal. Every single launchpad site or whatever the fuck will give a first initial block. And then click on confirm. I understand. Confirm. Confirm. And then the coin will be vamped. Just wait. It's going to copy. And then boom, if I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's minted on chain. Okay, you guys can go see, it's public information for everyone. And now it's time to create our liquidity pool. Now this page is where we create our Raydium liquidity pool. We will be holding the coins in our wallet and we control everything. Once we create the pool, it will show up directly in the migrate section, right? And it will skip everything. Now the amount of XPY we're here, bro, just click on 90%. Okay, the sweet spot, my bad, the sweet spot is 90%. That will drop 900 million tokens in the pool for everyone, right under for the amount of SOL to pair. This is the first buy into your own coin, and since you are the dev, you will have the opportunity to buy first before everyone else. And do not worry, bro, once you dump the coin later, you will get this Solana back because you are the creator, right? And that's the whole point. So I would highly recommend to put 0.3, 0.5, 0.32, so whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm going to put 0.3. Then click on create pool. Wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up, right? Just give it some time. Why is it so fucking slow? Like, come on now. Trying to dump and create a coin. Boom, ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And when that is done, bro, click on the refresh button down below. Then scroll down and boom, the XPY coin is now fucking live, and your profits are going to be right here. Okay, every single time you want to check your profits, they are going to be right here. And if you want to see how much you're up every single time, you can click on refresh. And as you guys can see, bro, right off the bat, we got a $137 buy. These might, I think that's like multiple people buying in, okay? And that's why I copy coins, because, bro, we copied the viral narrative and now people are liking it. Now, go on any trading platform you like. I like to use Photon, right? And then let me go in full screen for a better view of the coin. It should load in a couple seconds. Okay, let's go. And now the coin is live. As you guys can see, bro, we're getting transactions every single second. We got a 1.3k market cap. People are buying and selling our coin. I think, if I had to guess, okay, I think we're up like $120 if I had to guess. Bro, why are we getting like so little transactions? $7, $1. Just give your coin some time for it to breathe, bro. You have to believe in the coin because we copied the coin, right? It has a good narrative. So just let the results speak for itself. Boom, bro, a $72 buy, $25 buy. Things are looking good. Okay, let's go. It's pumping now, guys. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, we created this coin for literally $0, and now a bunch of people are transactioning with our token, with our meme coin. We can do whatever the fuck we want, and now all you have to do is just wait. Come on, pump, 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 pump. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to go up, and when I come back, we will see how much we're up, and then Alright guys, I am back and oh my god, the coin went down and then it did a huge comeback, bro. Honestly bro, I expected it because we copied a trending coin. But anyways bro, we are at a 1.7k liquidity, 4k market cap. It's still going higher bro. Oh my fucking god. Come back to create meme.io when you want to cash out. And obviously bro, click on the refresh button for the results. And as you guys can see here bro, we are up $1.9 thousand in profits, which is not too shabby, okay? Honestly, this is actually good for some of you guys, but yeah bro. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, then wait for your phantom wallet to just pop up real quick, okay? And as you guys can see here bro, we are going to receive around approximately 22.4. so click on confirm. And bang bro, that's exactly how you do it from start to fucking finish, okay? It was actually fucking insane. If I open my phantom wallet for some quick proof, as you guys can see, okay, even though the Solana market is extremely down right now, we still ended up making a decent bag, $1.85 thousand, okay? Now it's up to you to do whatever the fuck you want with this information, bro. Deving meme coins is still untapped and it's $1 million industry, okay? Most people are trading, but I recommend to start diving, okay? Now guys, let me know your results, bro. Join my Discord, join my Telegram, like, comment, subscribe, and let's fucking get it. Obviously, I am not a financial advisor, it's all for educational purposes only.